All right, we got a fun one today. We got a peekaboo. So this is just going to be a down and dirty, make it street legal. Don't spend a lot of time. Not going to be a restore. So anybody that is interested in a down and dirty, quick repair, this is what we got. So let's get into this. I'm going to do a little exploratory surgery and see just how far up I have to go here. Here we go. Ford. So normally on these cheap repairs like this would have been a perfect opportunity for rocker panel in a can, also known as spray foam. Spray foam, shave it, Bondo it, paint it, done. Doesn't get any cheaper than that. But he wanted to do the replacement panels, so we're going to be gluing those on. Flange it in, glue it, Bondo it, paint it, done. So a little bit better than, next step up than the rocker panel in a can. And it's not horrible, but it's not good. So let's keep going. All right, got her all flanged in. Basically just took the flange tool and flanged it in, set it in. It's slightly proud of the surface, but that's okay. And I currently have it screwed in place until my glue arrives, and then I'll bond it in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the other side and get it ready. Yeah, anyway, here we go. All right, got her glued in place. I'm gonna go ahead and let that kick. This stuff takes, I think it's 12 hours to fully set. So we're gonna let that happen, and then I'll mud that up right there and a little bit, smooth it out, and then give it a little proof can paint job. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, we got our quick down and dirty skim coat of mud on there, smoothed out, ready to go. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of prime on that, and then we'll paint her up. So yeah. Alrighty, nice fresh paint. Let's see how many, every time I paint outside, bugs get in it every time. So let's see how many bugs I get. Visually inspecting the vapors departing the workpiece at this point. Watching paint dry. Yay! Alright, surprisingly not a single bug. But it is far from perfect, but it is a salt truck. You can see my tape edge and the obvious not so color matched paint, even though it is the same paint code. This will fade in time, and anyway, not worried about it. It's a salt truck. Give it a couple weeks in the slop and it'll look exactly the same. It achieved the customer's goal. He wanted it to look better, be street legal, and last a little bit. So yeah, we're good to go on this. Done.